Kabayan, huwag skip ang ad na ito. Baka kayo na po ang susunod na mapabago ang buhay dahil sa negosyo namin. Kagaya ko po, nabago ang buhay ko dahil nanood ako ng ads, nag-take action ako, at nalaman ko paano magnegosyo kahit wala akong business background. So kung gusto nyo din po yan, stick around and I'll show you how to start your own successful digital business gamit lang ang cellphone or laptop and internet. So, paano nga ba napabago ang mga buhay kagaya ng isang caregiver, nurses, doctors, and even stay-at-home mom? These are just few of the examples na kayang kumita ng times 3, times 4, or kahit nga times 5 ng kanilang mga regular na mga salary. Ako nga po pala si Anne-Marie Wilson. Tubong Bisaya, bisdak nga dako. But I came here in United States in 2008 as a teacher. And I tell you what, I'm already retired at the age of 41. I left my 20 years of teaching just doing this business for 3 years. And as what I've said, kagaya ng iba pang mga business partner ko, napabago po ang buhay ko. Kasi back then po, I was so guilty na naiiwan ko ang mga bata sa kanilang mga nannies because I have to do the work. Nagigilty din po ako na as a parent myself, I could not be there for the parent-teacher conferences of my own kids because I am the teacher myself. I was in a different school. Nagigilty nga po din ako pag may nag-ask ng tulong sa mga kapamilya ko sa Pilipinas at hindi ko maibigay. Yes, even until now, I'm still the breadwinner, but back then, it was harder when emergencies come arise at wala akong maibigay. So back in 2021, I realized, well, pandemic nga po yun, back in 2021, I realized na kulang at kulang pa din ang aking kinikita. Puno na ako ng utang, credit cards are limit na talaga, and of course, I was so scared that my kids could not go to college because I did not have enough savings for them. So ano ang ginawa ko? I was looking for ways. I honestly was trying to sell lipstick, makeup, and even sell my pre-loved bags. Pero hindi pa ako naging successful doon. Well, I am just so happy nung nag-scroll po ako sa social media, nakita ko ang negosyong ito. Ang negosyong ito ang nagpabago sa aking buhay. Ang negosyong ito, hindi ko kailangan ng business degree. Ang negosyong ito, hindi ko kailangan maging tech savvy. Ang negosyong ito, hindi ko kailangan magtinda. Hindi ko kailangan mag-recruit at hindi ko kailangan nasabihan pa ang aking mga kamag-anak na bumili ng aking mga products. No, nothing like that. What I'm very happy to have found out is a proven system that has been tested by thousands of people worldwide. Sila na po ang bahala sa trainings kung paano tayo matuto magnegosyo. And not only that, we are worldwide. On top of that, meron pa tayong designated coaches and mentors to help us out. Ako nga po ay isa ng coach dito sa ating negosyo. So if you want to try this business just like how I started, just give me your email or message me down below or, comment how. And I will definitely guide you throughout this journey. Meron po tayong complimentary webinar, so hindi nyo po kailangan mag-commit right away. You have to take a look into the business. You have to take action para din po kung gusto nyong mapabago ang inyong mga buhay. Maraming salamat po and God bless. Thank you.